everyone. So today we are off to Meadows farm near Northampton. It's about an hour's drive, and I'm going with my mum today, so very excited. We're going to go see lots of animals, aren't we? Yay! I think she's a bit sleepy, to be honest. I haven't actually had a chance to do my makeup yet, so I brought it with me and I'm going to do it in the car because my mum's driving. So I'm just on the way to hers now, and it is... Actually, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. 9:11. I don't even know how we've ended up being late because Ava woke up at like 7:15. So really we've had like 2 hours to get ready, but she just takes so long to eat breakfast, and when you have yourself and a baby to get ready, it just takes forever. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do when I end up going to uni, because I'm gonna have to be in Northampton at 9 o'clock in the morning some days. I'm gonna have to get up at like 6 to be able to get us ready, take Ava to nursery and get to Northampton in time. To feed the animals. Yeah. See. Oh, you're going in with them. Wow. Look. Wow. Do you want to stroke, Ava?
I'm gonna stroke. Be gentle.
She, I don't want her to pull.
Be gentle.
Look, Ava. It's a little lamb. Gentle. Don't eat the string. Such a nosy girl, aren't you? I think she just wants to play with the other babies. Stop squeezing it.
She loves that.
What are you doing?
Look, I want the peach mommy.
Oh, Ava. I don't want it to spit.
They don't spit, do they?
Yeah, they do. Mum, no, don't. Mum.
They look like they're friendly.
They don't look friendly. Oh.
I don't want to give it to him off my hand in case he hurts me.
No, if you take your hand flat, it'll be alright.
Shall I? Oh, he's getting really annoyed.
I don't think you can.
Is this the food?
Yeah, that's the right
Oh,
food.
he's getting annoyed. Do you want to do it?
No, I don't want to do it. I'm scared.
Can you eat my hand? Oh, do it. Wait, let me chuck some on the floor. Wait, come over here.
It's getting really annoyed.
Wait. Wait, come here.
Look at Ava's face. She's like, what is that?
I'm sorry. Fluffy neck. Have some more.
I'm sorry, mate. All the food's gone. Ava's just tired.
Look at them with the cups.
It's a goat.
I want a goat. They're funny.
Goat.
They're like dogs. They're like a dog.
I don't think they're quite like dogs, Mum. What do you think of the emu, Ava? What do you think of it? Is it pretty? Oh. Do you like the ponies? Cat. Why are you such a people watcher? You're so nosy. Hello. Oh, it's got a cleft lip. Oh wait, no, they're all like that.
I love their hair.
Yeah, they're like,
really pretty.
they've got like afro hair.
Look at his face. They
Hello.
kind of look like camels.
Yeah, but they're cuter than that. They've got really
Yeah.
cute eyes. Wants milk, look, that baby does. Oh. They've got really thin necks.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Can you see, Ava? What do you think of the alpacas? They're definitely having a little meeting right now, aren't they?
Yeah, men's milk.
Want some of this?
Tired. Oh, looking.
Hello.
I want to take you home.
I don't think you're meant to eat this one, but I'll give you a bit of
I take
it.
you home.
Guinea pigs. Look. Fluffy guinea pigs.
Oh, it's a little face.
Look, his little nose. Another one down there. Say hello. Look at her face, she's so excited. What is it, Ava? He's cute.
It's cute. Look at his teeth. He's coming to see you, Ava. He's coming to see you.
So we came home after that, as we only had a small slot because of COVID. We had from 10 till 1. And that was enough time really, because it's not the biggest farm, but it was so lovely. So it was definitely worth going for a visit, and Ava really enjoyed it. She was so tired, she slept all the way home. So if you would like to go and visit, I'll put the website in the description. It's definitely worth going for a visit. It's only £5 a ticket as well, which is so affordable. Thank you for watching our short little vlog today. I hope you've enjoyed it.